What's up, y'all? This is Frank the Biz Connector at STEDMZ. Looks like a
skateboard, music, apparel, shoes. I got a big art room in the back.
Okay.
I'm going to show you that right now.
Okay.
Steve Stedham.
What's unique about your business?
It's like a collage of different things. I have a lot of live music, piano, skateboards, apparel, shoes. I have a big art room in the back that we can open up and do some community shows with the community.
Is there live entertainment there? Or?
Yeah, we'll be doing live music Thursdays through Sunday night, starting in a couple weeks.
What time?
7 o'clock to 12.
Okay. All right, and they just get up on stage here and just
do it.
Check that out, y'all.
The art room real quick. Go ahead, come up.
All right, and he's got an art room back here too. We're gonna go check that out also.
We do a lot of art shows for the community with kids, K-5 all the way up to college.
Oh, really?
Weekly events, free to enter. Just come out and show some of your art.
Okay. And you work with some of the local schools around here?
We're working on locking in the Clark County School District in to support the whole program.
Really?
Yeah, my 18-year-old daughter Alexis painted this whole room by herself. So.
Wow. Check this out. This is. So the kids will come in and just kind of do their thing on the wall. And
well, we're going to display their artwork throughout, like a display, like an art gallery show. We'll put some stuff on the wall. Probably hang some of it so it's floating.
Okay.
And then out in the front we'll have displays, and even out in the front of the mall's really supportive of it.
Okay.
Tony and Timo and all those, they got some really good management here.
Oh, that's cool. So what
Patrice. Patrice. That's one of the manager ladies.
Oh, okay.
That works with them.
So what made you come up with this concept? I mean, like,
well, I've been a pro skater for a long time and a musician, so I just always wanted like a Starbucks meets a music venue.
Yeah.
And I was just blessed to get the opportunity to get this store, and that's how I sort of created it slowly. It's taken me forever though, but.
Okay. Yeah, it looks nice though. So
music production and stuff, so I'm trying to do a lot of different music. This production, I'm into production.
Okay, all right, sounds good. So y'all come down here to STEDMZ and check out, or get in contact with my man Steve, and he'll get y'all taken care of. And come check out the art gallery, check out some of the music that, or some of the musical setup that they have. And also, if is it open to any band or?
Well, yeah, they can submit as long as it's clean.
Oh, okay.
No cussing, nothing like that. It's all family orientated,
Okay. All right, yeah, so if y'all got a band or anything like that and you guys want to go and display what it is that you do, just come on down and to STEDMZ at the Boulevard Mall, and they'll take care of you. All right?
Suite 318.
Suite 318?
Yes, sir.
Certified man, DJ certified.
Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Frank the Biz Connector. I am here at Dreams Bridal Boutique at the Boulevard Mall, and we have a couple of ladies here that are going to tell you all about what it is they do. It's Elizabeth and Elena, and they're going to give you all a little background about what it is they do and what makes Dreams Bridal Boutique unique.
So Dreams Bridal Boutique is a custom-made quinceañera dress and / wedding dress. You can also do tuxedos if you want. He makes all these dresses custom-made. You just need a few months in advance to get them. He just loved the style of how a quince dress looked, and he wanted to be bigger and better than a regular quince dress that you probably can buy online. He makes every dress unique. He loves to do better things than a brand can do, like Gucci, or he likes those big brands, and he likes to be a part of those big brands also. So it's good for girls that want to become a princess or want to fulfill their dream to become a princess and have their tiaras and colorful dresses. And he just loves to see people happy the way that they get their dress made and they get their dream birthday. So it's really cool. We also do wedding dresses for any age that you want. Big dresses, little dresses, whatever. Yeah, whatever you want. Okay. It's just
whatever you feel.
he just loves to do this. It's really just a mixture of everything because everybody likes a different style. So if people want, you know, this huge like cupcake sort of dress, they want the cupcake dress, and they come here. And
What's a cupcake dress?
so it's an easier way to look at one of the quince dresses. Yes. So you can look at those, and it just shaped like every day. Today, Sunday, it's from 11 to 7, and Monday through Saturday is 10 through 9.
Once again, this is Ajane Jacob with the Power 88 Dream Team, and in the next 10 minutes, we're gonna give y'all the opportunity to win some free stuff and be able to meet a special guest that is soon arriving in the building. This does not happen every day, y'all, so make sure y'all stay tuned and be back here in the next 10 minutes, right here on Power 88, the People Station.
It's your boy DJ Certified. You can find me on everything at DJ Certified 101. Don't forget, it's going down. We at the place right now, holding it down. Thanks for Power 88 in the building. We got special announcements. The Dream Team, Street Team in the building. Let's get it going.
And y'all didn't know, if y'all didn't know, well, now you know. It's your boy J Natural, live direct in effect, coming out of Frisco, San Francisco, Bay Area in the building, putting on for Vegas. We out here in the place, man. Big shout out to Lauren, big shout out to Red Grant. I appreciate the love. Big Percy. Oh, Big Percy all day, man. We out here. I mean, how can you forget? You see the name on it. So I'm going to release a track to y'all. It's on my album. It's called The Future Is Written. Just released on Tuesday. It's the new wave, though. I want y'all to check it out. I got the very first USB keychain album. And you can find that with me at JNatural415 on Instagram. And you can find me on all streaming platforms, iTunes, Spotify, etc., you name it. And I'm finna put one down. It's called Summer Love, man. Big shout out to Terrans for producing the track, co-writing. Big shout out to my girl Lauren, man. I'm gonna drop that DJ Certified. Do you want the summer love, baby? Do you need the summer love, baby? I'm bringing back that love song, you know what I'm saying, man? It's the summer, it's the end of the summer, but where my love birds at, you feel me? Hey, man, I'm going to acknowledge that I'm getting married in October, man. I'm excited about it, you know? So we're going to present that real true love for you. You ready? You know you need it. It's the beginning of the season and that time of the year to just sit back, relax, cause the summer is here. Punched off the clock and you just got paid, but now traffic's gridlocked by the end of the day. Nah, you don't care, you're stepping out anyway. He gotta trim up the beard and tighten the fade. She gotta put on the fit to make sure makeup is made so fresh and so clean. Now you're ready to play. Phone checks for text, ready to meet with your friends. Text back on my way, then hit send. It's Friday night and the mood is in. Just trying to set the tone from beginning to end. Honey, check it. Tell your friends to get with my friends and maybe we can be friends. Weekdays and weekends, the car's back to wax from outside in. When spring fling ends, the summer love begins. Let's get it. Hey, big shout out to the place, man. We in the place to be. Come on, stay with your baby. Yo, two-step right here, man. If y'all know how two-step, come on now. Two-step. You know what time it is. One thing, check me out. I hear you, baby, if you're ready, then let's go. Let's take it from the dirty to the east and west coast. I got a lot, best believe you the best though. I see you watching the players, she like my dress code. Swag, mean, crease, jeans, fresh up on the scene. The type of brother to see something and take anything. Don't understand, it's the new king of everything. So baby, don't say no to me, I'm like a wedding ring. Stay with me, baby. Just one thing, can't get enough, baby. One thing, baby. Like I said, it's your boy J Natural, live direct in the face. The place right here, the place to be, man. I appreciate the love and support, man. I'm gonna be back for sure. But in the meantime, y'all continue to turn up and put on. Big shout out to Red Grant and Lauren. I appreciate the love.
All around the front and backyard without gate. Wait. Ben?
That's the deal. consistent.
So this is Frank, the Biz Connector. I'm live at the place. Got one of the workers here at the place. What's your name, bro?
Assistant Mario.
Mario.
2 days, come through. We got all the fresh bits, the flyers, hats, flyers, kick. Got the DJ, exclusive 400. You know, Reebok. Got the 2 laces. So these about. Gotta get it out the back. They exclusive, limited. Limited. YG.
Oh yeah.
Exclusive. We also got the nip, you know. Owns the store.
There's some exclusive stuff there.
On sale, 30. American Apparel material. Okay. We got the females as well.
What's some of the hot stuff for
Got the 90s vintage tee. You know, we got more stuff in the back over here. All this summer stuff. It's GVLD underscore Fokai 11.
All right, I'll go there and like it. Everybody else do it too.
Thank